What's going on in Mystic? Today I have a helper. Yeah, really she's not much help though. Boats on the water today. This is Betsy, my helper today. So Betsy, do dinos have morning breath? And Betsy, look at me. Is T-Rex cranky when he first wakes up in the morning? No comment. If you want to know the answer to those questions, you want to go to the Dinos at Dawn event at the Mystic Aquarium. It's April 14th at 8 a.m. and you get exclusive access to the Jurassic Giants building, which I have not been to yet. It sounds pretty cool. So there's another really cool thing going on this week. So going through this drawbridge here and down this river on April 14th will be the Mayflower. The Mayflower's leaving the seaport. Here's the Mayflower from a few years ago. So I have it on good authority that the Mayflower will be leaving the seaport between 3 and 4, and right here in the park is a really good spot to watch the Seaflower go down the river and back to Plymouth where she lives. So this is the Mystic River Park, and April 11th, sometime between 3 and 4, when I know for sure, I will let you guys know, and come watch the Mayflower go by. It's just the most coolest thing in the world to see. And that's what's going on this weekend in Mystic.